Hey guys, today I'm riding to the Thai Myanmar border in Kanchanaburi area, about 80 km outside of Kanchanaburi. Super hot. Songkran day 2, around 40 degrees. Let's see how far I will make it. I'm riding alone and some tricky places like the one you see right now. I'm not sure why I choose the shortcut straight. I nearly not made it. You will see it in a second. It was super tricky here. Oh my god. Yeah, finally I'm up the hill here. I'm heading on my way. So next water crossing, actually I should check how deep is the water, but yeah, no risk, no fun. And actually, yeah, not too bad. I did my navigation, yeah, also was a bit tricky. I used Google offline maps and actually was pretty accurate. Anyway, I took a wrong junction just before and now I'm on the right way back again. This trail is a bit an insider trail, but anyway, the Thai enduro riders knew it very well. Usually you can meet some of them, not yet have met one. And the second thing I want to say, usually some cars also make this trail to support the ranger station up the mountain. Surprising how they can ride the car here. At this time I wasn't sure I'm still on the right track, and more water crossings, and yeah, I start to be concerned a bit. Should I go all the way up the mountain or not? 5,000 river crossings. Honestly, as of I'm alone, I better turn back. Ooh, creepy forest. A lot of sound here. Okay guys, I will make it back, hopefully safe. Actually, if you go for those remote trails, maybe a better idea to have at least one guy with you, girl, one other biker. Anyway, it was super great fun, and for sure I will be back there, and later next time I will make it up to the hill. Another water crossing, and yeah, heading back now. I see one of these other enduro riders, but anyway, safety first. That was it, my Kanchanaburi border ride. Super great fun. You have to go there. The coordinates in the first picture of the video. Great fun. Cheers guys.